Let me show you how to fix Discord stuck on full screen mode inside of Windows. So if you're also having this issue where your Discord is still on the full screen mode, the easy way to disable it is first of all try Ctrl Shift and F on your keyboard. Now if this does not work out for you, then the second thing or the second shortcut that you can try out is press the Fn key and F11 key. And as you can see, once I press it, the full screen mode disables and enables. So you can just press this key and try to see if this fixes the issue. Lastly, if none of those shortcuts work out for you, then lastly what you can try out is try to press the escape key. So once you press escape, you should be able to bring up this taskbar on the bottom of the screen. So just click on this arrow, right click on the Discord icon and then click on Quit Discord. So using these exact steps, you should be able to fix the full screen mode on Discord or Windows. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.